Hi everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a Sephora Beauty Director.
And I'm Helen, I'm the National Artist for Sephora Collection.
And hey everyone, I'm David, also a Sephora Beauty Director.
And today's video is all about gifting. We love gifts, even if it's to ourselves. And our theme today is Black-owned brands. I'm really happy that we're at a point where we have so many different brands to choose from, and we are, getting new ones every day, that we have a pretty wide assortment for you all to choose from as far as holiday gifting goes, or like I said, just in case you're gonna get a few things for yourself. So let's go ahead and get started and dive into these, because I've already added like 4 of these to my cart, so I'm sure we will finish off the rest of them today.
Yeah. So I'll just start because I'm already wearing this, and of course I already pretty much I got it. This is amazing. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Resting Peach Face Cream Blush and Mini Gloss Balm Cream Duo, and
it's good.
It's really good. We're both wearing it. I'll just give it a little swatch for everybody. First of all, the applicator on this is amazing. Yeah. You should swatch it on your hand too. I just like the texture. It really shears out nicely and doesn't add any extra texture to the skin, so it really goes with any foundation that you're wearing.
And that'll be the theme too when you look at brands from Black-owned brands. The color and the hair products tend to be a really wide range, so you can buy it knowing that it's gonna look good on fair skin as well as deep skin. That's what it's formulated to do.
So I think it's also a really good point is that these are gifts, and just seeing look at how this color set works for each of you with 2 totally different skin tones. Really an easy and great gift for anyone that you can feel confident purchasing, that they're going to be able to wear and use. Yeah. You know what I mean? I think that's really the key to this season, is products that are really usable across a broad range of styles, ages, everything, skin tones, everything. They're really versatile.
I wouldn't trust a person if they didn't like Gloss Balm.
Yeah.
It's too much for me.
And I wouldn't trust you either.
So next up is one of my favorite brands, something I have in my hair right now from Briogio Beauty. This is the Baomint Best Seller Kit. If you're not familiar with Baomint, it's Baobab, and she has this complex of 3 different types of mint. So your hair is super moisturized and your scalp's all tingly. It's the best thing. Makes your bathroom smell amazing on wash day. So you're gonna get the full size deep conditioning treatment, which is one of my faves. It has a shea butter base in it, if I'm not mistaken, and it feels so good. I love a deep conditioner that coats my hair and makes my actual curl pattern come out. That's when I know it's really good. And any hair type can use it, which is what I really like. That's definitely what Julian.
It's not heavy. I like it.
It's heavy, but it's not. It's weird. It's hard to explain. It's a very, very extremely moisturizing product.
Yeah.
And you're oh, this is gonna be really heavy. You can use it, and it's totally fine.
It doesn't make my hair straight.
And it's good. It rinses out perfectly fine. Yeah. I love it. This is great if you have drier hair, or just any type of hair that needs a bit of moisture. You also get deluxe size samples of the. It smells amazing.
I know. I love the way it smells.
I am constantly in her DM saying where's the candle at? Where's the fragrance? Where's it at? Then
please make a candle of this.
It is so good. And then you get the moisturizing shampoo as well as the leave-in styler. If you want to do something, she does have a gel and a cream. If you want to do a leave-in conditioner that actually brings out your curl pattern, this is it. This is beautiful.
Okay, so up next, a personal favorite of mine. I'm so thrilled that we are carrying Danielle Myricks now. This is the Danielle Myricks Rose Dream Trio. This is the Color Fix 24-hour eye, lip, and cheek cream pigment. This stuff is so revolutionary, so cool. It is a multi-using, multifaceted artistry product that basically you can use as a cream eyeshadow, a liquid liner, blush, lipstick, gel, whatever, face paint, do whatever you want with it. It's fantastic. It blends beautifully. It's smooth. It gives you some blendable time, so when you apply it down, you can soften it out, smooth it out, create really soft lines if you want. But once it sets, it sets. Hence the 24. It's color fix. It's fixed in place. And she also gives you with this a gloss. So she's gonna be giving you 3 really usable shades. This one I believe is the Ballerina.
Which I love.
Which I love.
Anything sparkly, right?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, we've been waiting for Danessa for a long time.
Wait, let me use this.
Total
here.
Fangirls.
I know.
Every time we see her.
Such a shiny penny when it comes to this, how shiny her stuff is. I'm oh my God.
This makes a really good lipstick. This ballerina pink with these beautiful shimmers. So this shade, the Latte, is the ultimate shade for the monochromatic look. Think of it as like a soft smoky eye, a little bit of blush, and your lip tone. One thing I will say about these, they are a matte finish. The solid colors are mostly matte. There are some that are metallics and shimmers, but the solid colors are matte. Even though it looks shiny here, that's just because it hasn't fully set yet.
If you do like a little like smudging situation too, it still stays put. Like I wear it really thin, both of those on my lips, and it will be like really, it's there for a very long amount of time.
Long time. So these are really good because of the way this formula works. You can actually mix any of the shades together to custom create your own shade. So let's say you really love this ballerina pinky shimmery tone, but you also like the depth of the Latte. Mix them together. You can create your own custom shades. And with this clear gloss, something that's really interesting, because of the setting nature of the Color Fix formula, once it sets, it doesn't budge. So if you really love that editorial eye glossy look, but you've always found that eyeshadows crinkle underneath glosses, this is your answer.
That's the only way I would recommend to do it in real life.
Yep, because you can wear it all night. You put this on, let it sit, and then put the gloss on top. On your eye. Put it on your eye. It's the most beautiful look ever. Seriously, I love this stuff. This is, to me, the ultimate makeup artist gift.
Yes.
This is the kind of thing that anybody who loves makeup, loves being on the cutting edge of beauty and fashion, would absolutely go banana splits for this.
Okay, so next we have another hair kit, but this one is by Briogio. This is the Honey Hydration Hair Repair Kit. It's actually vegan apple honey, so it's just super animal friendly and really, really hydrating. So for this, we have the shampoo, the full size deep conditioning mask, and the conditioner. And I just really like that it's like vegan, it's 6 free, so it's clean at Sephora. And again, super duper hydrating, and it just smells really good.
And next up, we have a new brand, which is really exciting. And like I said in the beginning, like all these new brands that we're getting are really great. Sephora was actually the first company, first retailer to sign on to the 15% pledge, which is really exciting. And a friend of ours, Aurora James, friend to the company, Aurora James is amazing. She started it, and what it does is ensure that retailers allot at least 15% of their shelf space to Black-owned brands. Being that in the United States, Black people make up 50% of the population, it's the best place to start. And I think we're doing a really great job. There's so many different ones, so many awesome founders we've been meeting, and what I love about it,
Like,
fantastic products.
It just gives you this really cool peace of mind that you're supporting people that you love, and you know that the products are going to be inclusive and just coming from a different viewpoint. Because I know we all like things that come from different viewpoints. So I'm very excited, and keep an eye on our social because there's always new brands coming, and we've had some really great ones so far. So from Jackie Aina, my girl, saw her the other day in the studio, we have Forever Mood. So I was really excited when I heard she was launching a brand. So I was like, what is it gonna be? And it's candles. We all love candles.
Love that.
We all love candles.
Yeah.
So this is the candle duo set. This is exclusive to Sephora. So if you want to try something out and you've been thinking about getting the Sip Happens and Floral Play, you can only get these together at Sephora, which it's Jackie. If you follow Jackie, you know she always comes up with good names for everything. So these are really nice. Let's see.
Sip Happens.
Let's see. My press-on nails won't let me get them
get
out.
them for
Because
you,
these are
baby.
nice and heavy. So
These are
luxurious. I'll
good,
let you
yeah.
take that one, and I'll let you know the notes of it. So the Floral Play one, some of
what
my
I
favorite
have.
notes in there are bergamot and orange flower and iris, which I really, really like because it's not overly floral. It's kind of like a modern type of floral. And you have Sip Happens, which is all about
smell that one.
This is so classy. I'm like, just love that.
The Prosecco, the pomegranate, the musk are really, really nice. And I like that there's covers. Because I hate a dusty candle.
Me too.
Yes.
Yes. I know, right?
Yeah.
I was like, that one, the fact that it's black, it like goes with that like black matte. It's like so chic smelling.
This is nice.
I know, I love it.
And it's 100% coconut soy wax. So, you know, nice and
That's
clean.
so nice. It burns really clean. Love that.
Well, to keep on this mood, to move right in, because the next product I'm going to talk about is also from Forever Mood. And this is a single candle that's doing really well for them, and it's a fantastic gift for the season. It's called Cuffing Season. Again, goes back to this idea that candles are such a great gift during the holiday season. almost everyone I know loves a scented candle. I don't think I've ever given a gift of a scented candle where I've saw somebody like, oh, I never really used that. Or it's always like burnt down and then they're like, well, I tried this other scent that you know. I love that, that brand and their smells and all that stuff. So it's a really great introduction to a brand. This one in particular is a really nice scent. It's a bit of a floral scent here. You guys can smell. It's got like salty lemon, which just when I heard that, I was like, I need to know what this is.
How is that possible? It does smell salty, but in a good way.
But in a good way, because there's like other stuff in there, like some jasmine. What I like about these fragrances of all these candles, and I noticed it with this one for the first time because I smelled this, it's a soft but powerful scent.
Yes,
it's
I love
not
that.
Overwhelming, but it is a signatured scent that you can recognize that there's a really nice thought out process. It's not just something basic,
You can
it's
burn
a little
it's not
bit
gonna
more.
overwhelm your whole house.
Yeah.
That's
so
nice
great
too.
gifts, gifts for the holiday season. And thank you Forever Mood and Jackie Aina, because we love them.
Yes.
So there you have it, a great assortment of products, all from Black-owned brands supporting the 15% pledge at Sephora. Please check these brands out, check these products out. I guarantee you're gonna fall in love with them. Don't forget to leave in the comments section any insight that you may have, favorites here, things that you want. Maybe tag a friend that you're like, hey, did you see that candle?
Yeah, put some new brands in the comment section I can check out. I like doing that too. That's always fun.
It's a great idea. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos like this from us every single week. And until next time, check out these brands. Have a great time holiday shopping. We'll see you all soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Bye.